Robert Mills was born on August 12, 1781 in Charleston, South Carolina. He is sometimes considered the first American to be professionally trained in architectural engineering. By age 19, Mills had graduated from the College of Charleston and moved to Washington, D.C. to work with James Hoban as he constructed the White House. In 1802, Mills moved to Philadelphia where he worked under Benjamin Henry Latrobe. In Philadelphia, some of the buildings Mills designed were Washington Hall, Sampson Street Baptist Church, the Octagon Church for the First Unitarian Church of Philadelphia, and the Upper Ferry Bridge covering. Some other significant structures by Mills include St. John's Episcopal Church, Maryland House of Industry, the First Baptist Church of Baltimore, and a Greek Revival mansion used by the Maryland Club. Mills also designed the First Presbyterian Church in Augusta, Georgia, the Burlington County Prison in Mount Holly, New Jersey, and Monumental Church in Richmond, Virginia, which was built to commemorate the death of 72 people in the Richmond Theater. Mills is most best known for his work on the Washington monuments. In 1815, he designed the first Washington monument, which is located in Baltimore, Maryland. In 1836, he won the competition to design the Washington Monument on the National Mall. Construction began in 1848, stopped in 1854, and resumed 25 years later in 1879. The monument was dedicated in 1885, 30 years after Mills' death. Mills also designed the Department of Treasury building, the U.S. Patent Office building, modeled after the Parthenon, and the old General Post Office, all in Washington, D.C. Mills is also well known for his work in South Carolina. In 1820, he was appointed Commissioner of the Board of Public Works, and in 1823, the Superintendent of Public Buildings. Some notable buildings designed by Mills in South Carolina were courthouses in at least 18 counties, the University of South Carolina campus, county jails, and the Fireproof Building in Charleston. Old Horry County Courthouse, Union County Jail, and Woodrow Wilson House are all in the National Register of Historic Places. Mills also wrote the Atlas of South Carolina and Statistics of South Carolina. He helped design parts of the Lansford Canal and even a few private homes in South Carolina. Mills was inducted into the South Carolina Business Hall of Fame in 2007. Mills died on March 3, 1855, and is buried in the Congressional Cemetery in Washington, D.C.